Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to create a background on Davinci Resolve and also how to add a text over the background. Without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. So guys, the first thing we'll do is we go down to effects, and then down here the effects panel shows, and then you scroll down again to generators. So this is where you'll find solid color, which is the background we're going to be using today. So drag solid color into the edit page, and then just move it to the beginning and stretch it. Now, you stretching it actually means the amount of time it's going to spend on your screen. So if you want it to spend up to 2 minutes, you extend it to that amount of time. So let's just play it. For now the background is black, so you can't see anything at all until you change the color. Now to change the color, you click on the solid color, then move to inspector. You would see color right here, generator, and under generator you see color. So click on color. Here you choose any color you want. You choose blue, but just so you know, you can actually play around with this whole color panel stuff and then choose whatever color you want. So as you can see, there are a lot of colors here, so we'll work with blue for now, and then click on OK. So you can see the solid color is blue now, no longer black. So now we are going to add a text over this background, but before we do so, you can also play around with this solid color, like change the size and then move it around, move it from left to right, zoom in and zoom out and all the stuff. So just to see all this, you go down to settings, and then you see zoom, as X and Y, as zoom in and zoom out. You see positions. So to zoom out, as you can see, it's reducing and then coming back up when I increase it. So after this, well, let's just say we'll leave it like this, and then after this we will add our text. We'll come back to effect here and then choose titles, and then under titles you'll see text. So drag that text onto the timeline and then stretch it. You can start from beginning to end as well, or if you choose for your background to show first, just extend it this way, and then after the background your text appears. We'll check that out later, but for now let's just work on the text. So for you to type in what you want on your text, now you click on text and then come to title, then erase this and then just type in whatever you want. Well, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to do this. As you can see, the text is actually a bit confusing, so for it to be pleasing to the eyes, you can actually change the color of the text as well. Since we changed the edge of our background to black, we can also change the text itself to black, so it will just blend in. Just my own opinion, that is. So let's change the color of the text. So we change it to black. As you can see, it's a little bit pleasing to the eyes. Yeah, like I said, my own opinion. So let's go on from there. So for the text to be bigger, the text is already selected. We go down to settings and then we zoom in. I guess this is big enough, so let's play from the beginning now. So guys, what you just saw now is background first and then the text followed up. Now for us to add a little bit of transition to make it a little bit interesting, let's try this on the background first. So background appears and then text pops in. So in order for us to just stop the text from just popping in, we'll do the same thing we did to the solid color, and then maybe add the same cross dissolve from it. video transition, then background appears, then a little while the text appears as well. So guys, that's how you deal with text and background on your video. Just in case you're editing an actual video, you can also add a text over your video without the background. Just make sure the text is blended to your video and not confusing. So from here, let's continue, guys. Now at the end, it's either we just let everything vanish or we just let it move out of frame itself. So let's just reduce this a little bit. It's a bit too long. So text moves out and the background follows. So let's play from the beginning. Text appears, plays for a while, and then at the end text moves out, the background follows. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So please like, share and subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.